Rena's working. I just finished editing some videos and I'm gonna go do a walking tour of this place. Follow me, Resorts World. First stop is the pool on the 5th floor. Let's go check that out.
Level 5.
Level 5, here we go. Cool, all right. Wow, I've never seen this pool area before. He stayed in here one time, but never actually stopped out here. Ooh, this is nice. Oh man, it's hot out here. Over here is the Bimini bar. Got the jacuzzis over there. Nice little lap pool. This is the main pool area over here. Center bar over there called Agave. Another. Wow. Bunch of cabanas over there. Yeah, here's the pool. Nice. Alright everybody, we're gonna do the walking tour of the casino from the hotel. We're staying at the Hilton, continuing this walking tour. Let's see where we're at. Okay, actually let's walk over out this way. So we're staying at the Hilton this time, not the Conrad. And this place is big, very big. I'll probably do a perimeter walking tour of the outside part of the casino floor. Probably walk through a little bit because it's a lot to walk through. But join me. Welcome to a new episode of Hit, Cash Out and Run. Resorts World Casino. So we're starting over by the garage and also Starbucks area. The doghouse is over here. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna walk straight down the middle and then probably zigzag back and forth. I'm not sure. We'll just follow me. You'll see where I go. Here we are. Today is Wednesday. It's about 11:30. We haven't been here since last year. Things have changed. A bunch of new games actually, and then they added in the bubble craps. Crapless actually. They still got the shoot to win craps here, which I don't like the interface. So on this Vegas trip, I've been trying to play a lot more bubble craps, but I get too aggressive on tilt and lose it all. I got a few good videos. You'll be able to see it soon. But I'm just going to walk I'll try to narrate whenever I can, but it's not much to narrate in this place. You just see all the games. So the famous food street eats, I'll walk over there after. But there's this bar right here in the middle. We got copyright music, so there's gonna be no background music in here, just so you all know. The last walking tour I did of this only got like less than 1,000 views. So I was just wondering, I don't know if I should do this today, but might as well, right? I always do walking tours wherever we go. Cashman Bingo. This game is such a chasing game. We've lost so much playing that game. Keeps you sucked in. District Restaurant. Wheel of Fortune. So that shoot to win Bubble Craps game was over here before. And if you didn't know, I believe this area used to be Sahara, the old Sahara casino. And they have their own sphere. And on the left here is called the Gatsby's Cocktail Lounge. Ooh, look at that, Martin Lawrence is going to be here November 15th. All right, let's walk down the other. Look how long this casino floor is, how big it is, how open. I like how open it is. It doesn't feel so packed and congested. I can guarantee you now, I'm not gonna get all the games in here for everybody to see. I usually try to, because people like to see what games are on the floor, but it's a lot to walk through, people. I'll kind of zigzag through. Oh, they got Randy's Donuts over here. Randy's Donuts. They got Junior's breakfast, lunch. I think that's also a bar inside there as well. Oh, and Money Roll. I do like this game when you get the bonus round. Then the crapless Bubble Craps is over in this section, so they separated it. Crapless and then regular Bubble Craps. Regular Bubble Craps is over by the food area, which I'll walk to over there after. They have a lot of the firecracker games here, the one that I despise playing. But you know what? Maybe I'll try to play it later. There's all the table games. So the craps table, I can tell you now, it's the longer table. I think it's what, like 14 feet, I believe, 14 feet. And during the weekends or busy nights, it's $15 minimum, which I saw we played last night. But today, they recently changed it to $10 minimum. And directly across the casino floor from the food court is the high limit area. So there's a table, the craps game. They got a lot of tables, but usually only 2 of them are open. So here's the high limit area. They have their own bar. This is a really big high limit area.
Hannah's been treating me good.
Wonder what streamer that is. He was streaming, wasn't really playing, just talking. I remember the first time we played here in the high limit room, having a little bit too much fun with some people. Okay, well, let's go back this way.
So I need a little bit more than 100,000. So yeah, I think if I can hit 3,000 today.
All right. That bar in the middle is called Crystal Bar and Lounge. All right, let's walk through this side and then walk over by the food court. You can see the food over there. This place is big. Probably repeated myself way too many times. I'm just trying to narrate, that's all. I was telling Raina the other night that these games, you see a lot of these games that we played before, and like, I've had such bad experiences that I don't even want to touch them. But you know, that's not always the case. It's just chance, right? But you know when you get that bad feeling, or you get that when you're playing a game and you get a bad experience, you just don't want to touch it again. Then you try to give it another chance, like eating food. Take a bite and you're like, okay, that tastes like crap, and then you're like, oh, let's give it another chance. Same shit. Yeah. Food area. So if you don't know yet, you do not go up to the restaurant to order your food over here. I'll show you how you do it. You actually go to this machine here, right? And you choose a restaurant, and you choose your noodles, or choose your food, you add to cart, and then after all this, you have to add in your name and phone number and pay it. And once you're done, they text you when you're done, you go pick up your food. What's bad about that is I wanted a bottle of water last night, so I ordered a bottle of water from this one location, and I had to sit there and wait to get my bottle of water after. I had to wait for a text message. So I just grabbed my water and I paid for it, right? Just grabbed my water because nobody was there. That's the only thing that's just kind of weird. You want to get something really simple, you have to go through the steps, put in your phone number, put in your email. But they got Asian food, they got salads, they have chicken, fried chicken. Walk over here. This right here is it's like tea. A tea spot. Tiger Sugar is what it's called. So here's the food area. They have all sorts of foods from all over. Barbecue, fried chicken, Japanese food, teriyaki bowl, Chinese restaurant, clay pot rice. It's cool as they got a bar right in the middle too, with the food court. And then over here is the regular bubble crabs. Out 7, I hate that sound. Well, everybody, that's about it. I'm gonna walk through the middle one more time. Try to get some other machines that I didn't get. But they have a lot of machines. It's just nothing out of the ordinary. What is that? Cash grab, huh? Interesting. Cash grab. I want to try that. Do my short again, like going crazy. You haven't seen that short. It's crazy crash grab. All right. You see the bonus here. Interesting. Well, that's about it, people. I'm gonna wander back. Thank you for tuning in. Oh, Willie Nelson has his own slot machine, huh? Somebody sitting here. Somebody didn't print out. They print out their $3.27 ticket. I'm not gonna grab it. A lot of people do grab those tickets that are just sitting around. Alrighty, y'all. Thank you for tuning in. That's Resorts World. See you next time.